Horizontal lines running across your TCL TV screen can be really distracting and make it hard to enjoy watching anything. In this video, I'll walk you through every possible fix you can try at home to get rid of those lines, step by step. Let's start by checking if the lines show up on the TV's own menu. Grab your remote and open the Settings or On-Screen menu. If the lines are still there while you're inside the menu, that means the issue is inside the TV itself. But if the lines disappear when you open the menu, then the problem is more likely with your HDMI cable or another device that's connected to the TV. The next thing to try is a full power cycle or reset. Turn off your TV and unplug it directly from the wall. While it's unplugged, hold down the power button on the TV for about 30 to 60 seconds. Then leave it unplugged for a few minutes before plugging it back in and turning it on again. If the lines are still there after doing this, you can also go into the settings and try a factory reset, which takes the TV back to its original setup. If that doesn't work, take a look at your HDMI and any external devices. Start by unplugging the HDMI cable and plugging it back in firmly. If nothing changes, switch to a different HDMI port, or try using a different cable altogether. You can also test with another device, like a different streaming stick or console, to see if the lines only happen with one device. To make it easier to test, disconnect any extra devices like soundbars and only keep the TV connected to one source at a time. Another thing that can help is making sure the software on your TV is fully updated. Go into the settings, then support, and select software update. If the TV finds a newer version, update it over the internet. If updating through the network doesn't work, you can also update it by using a USB stick. It's also important to check the power source. Plug your TV directly into the wall socket instead of using a surge protector or a smart plug. Sometimes those can cause issues with power flow. If possible, try a different wall socket to see if that clears up the lines. If the problem is still there, it could be related to the T-con board or ribbon cables inside the TV. These cables connect different parts of the screen, and if they become loose or faulty, lines can appear. Without opening the TV, one thing you can try is gently pressing near the frame where the connections are, as this can sometimes help reconnect them. Finally, if you notice a thin horizontal line going across the entire screen or only halfway, this usually points to a gate driver or panel fault. In some cases, applying light pressure around the edge of the bezel near the line can make the connection come back temporarily. But if this doesn't work, it usually means the problem needs professional repair or service. That's it for this video on how to fix horizontal lines on your TCL TV screen. I hope these step-by-step methods help you get your TV back to normal. If you found this guide helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more simple tech fixes. Did any of these steps work for you, or do you still have questions? Drop a comment below. I'd love to hear how it went. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.